Your tile can look sound from the street, while the waterproof layer beneath it has given out. Underlayment is the sheet between the tile and the wood deck, and it keeps rain out of the rooms below. Failed underlayment usually shows as water inside, while the tile above still looks sound. Slip tile, damp sheathing in the attic, and grit washing out at the eaves point the same way. So do repairs that keep coming back to one corner. Lift and relay means taking your tile off in sections. We stack each piece clear of foot traffic, then strip the old underlayment, the old fasteners, and any battens down to bare decking. Then we read the wood for rot, delamination, and old fastener damage. Soft boards come out and new sheathing goes in. New underlayment goes on in lapped courses with renewed valley, wall, and pipe flashing. Your own tile goes back down over the new layers. We handle every piece twice, so a share of it breaks, and we allow for that when we quote. If your profile has been discontinued, we tell you before any tile comes off. Call Pasadena Roofing Contractors with your tile profile at 626-240-1360.